The dark side of AI is a topic that's gaining traction in recent years. AI bias, in particular, is a pressing issue that affects not only job markets, but also social justice. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into various aspects of our lives, it's essential to understand the risks associated with AI bias. A study by the Harvard Business Review found that AI systems are more likely to discriminate against certain groups of people, including women and minorities. This bias can lead to severe consequences, including job loss and social inequality. The question is, what can be done to mitigate AI bias and ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased?
To understand the concept of AI bias, we need to delve into the world of machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are trained on vast amounts of data, which can contain biases and prejudices. These biases can be perpetuated in AI systems, leading to discriminatory outcomes. One of the primary reasons for AI bias is the lack of diversity in the data used to train AI models. If the data is predominantly from a single demographic, the AI system may not be able to recognize and account for the experiences and perspectives of other groups. This can lead to AI systems that are not only biased but also ineffective.
The consequences of AI bias are far-reaching and devastating. Job loss is a significant concern, as AI systems can automate tasks that were previously performed by humans. However, the impact of AI bias on social justice is equally severe. AI systems can perpetuate existing social inequalities, leading to further marginalization of already vulnerable groups. For instance, a study by the MIT Technology Review found that AI-powered hiring tools can perpetuate biases against women and minorities. These biases can lead to a lack of diversity in the workplace, perpetuating existing social inequalities.
So, what can be done to mitigate AI bias? One solution is to increase diversity in the data used to train AI models. This can be achieved by incorporating diverse datasets and using techniques such as data augmentation to reduce bias. Another solution is to use techniques such as fairness metrics to detect and mitigate bias in AI systems. Fairness metrics can help identify biases in AI models and provide insights into how to mitigate them.
In conclusion, AI bias is a pressing issue that demands attention. The consequences of AI bias are far-reaching and devastating, affecting not only job markets, but also social justice. It's essential to understand the risks associated with AI bias and take steps to mitigate it. By increasing diversity in the data used to train AI models and using techniques such as fairness metrics, we can reduce the impact of AI bias and ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased.
So, what can you do to help mitigate AI bias? Start by being aware of the risks associated with AI bias and advocating for diversity in AI systems. You can also support organizations that work to reduce AI bias and promote fairness in AI systems. In the end, it's up to us to ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased. We can start by being aware of the risks associated with AI bias and taking steps to mitigate it.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of. If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest episodes.